okay, I'm choosing you again, I guess. And the thing is, actually, there are other options, but they're all kind of painful. Has been my experience. Like, if I'm not choosing to be me, I can do other like things for a while, but I start to just feel very adrift and hurt and empty. It's like playing, I can play a part for a while. Like I kind of like am good at acting. Um, but then at some point, it just becomes too painful. And I feel like the choice point for me was that moment where I hit like the rockest of bottomists. And I was like, I, yeah, I'm either gonna just like get out of here because Earth is ghetto, or I'm just gonna do this thing.